What if the difference between retiring comfortably and struggling financially came down to just a few decisions you make over the next few years? That's not an exaggeration. Small investing decisions made consistently over time can create extraordinary results. And that's exactly what this course is designed to help you do. By the end of this course, you'll understand how investing works, how to choose investments, how to manage risk, and how to build a simple strategy you can confidently follow. No complicated formulas, no stock picking gimmicks, just practical knowledge that can help you build long-term wealth. Think of investing like planting a tree. At first, it doesn't look like much is happening, but over time, growth begins to build on growth. Eventually, the tree becomes something far larger than the tiny seed you planted. Remember, investing isn't really about money, it's about creating options. It's about funding retirement and creating financial independence. It's about supporting the life you want to live. Money is simply the tool that helps make those things possible. Think of this video as your map so you can pick the path that actually fits where you are right now. You don't have to take these lessons in order. If you want to start today, skip ahead to lesson 2. Not sure how much risk you can handle. That's lesson 3. All the tools you need are here. Most people never get any formal training on this stuff. You're already ahead just by showing up. Your downloadable workbook has a complete table of contents. Before you go any further, grab it. That's where real progress happens. Take what's useful, skip what isn't. Come back anytime you need a refresher. So let's take that step together. I'll see you in lesson 2.